This video is about the main g-Navigator window. When you create a new flow or open up an existing flow, it will open up in g-Navigator. We are going to start at the right side of the g-Navigator window with the Module Manager. The Module Manager is where you add and remove modules from your flow. You can add new modules by pressing the Insert key on your keyboard and searching for the module, pressing the green plus button to select the flow from a list, or by right-clicking on a module and selecting Modules next. Modules can be removed with the red minus button or by selecting the module and hitting delete on your keyboard. You can rearrange modules by clicking and dragging or by using the arrow buttons. These buttons here will run the modules in your flow or cancel the execution of your flow. You can also copy and paste modules within the active flow or into any other flow opened in a different g-Navigator window. The Add Module Views button will add the default views for the module you currently have selected. If you already have vistas for these views open, the new views will be added as another layer on top. The Module Manager and all windows in g-Navigator can be undocked from the sides of the screen by double-clicking the title. You can also click and hold to move them around. These windows can be redocked anywhere you like. You can also prevent modules from docking with the Pin-Unpin button. The Graph view is now visible. Graph view shows you all of your modules and the data connection between modules in a visual format. This is a good tool to use to QC the construction of your flows. You can define the properties of your flows in the Module Properties window. You define the data flow connections between your modules under the Input Data tab and the properties of the module under the Parameters tab. Some modules, like LoadSegY, don't have any options for input data, as they are designed to bring in data from outside G-Platform by providing an absolute path to external data files. Some modules also have settings you can adjust to help optimize a procedure for your system, such as the number of cores used, bulk size, cache type, and others. The Output Data tab gives you information about the data produced by this module that you can use to connect to other modules. Finally, some modules will produce information you can use for QC. The LoadSegY module will show you information about the segY you have imported, such as trace, bin, and text headers, as well as coordinates and elevations of sources and receivers. The Help View tab provides information about the various modules in your flow. It will update automatically as you select different modules and different parameters in the Module Properties window. You can use the Tracking Info window to get cursor tracking information from open views in the main body of g-Navigator. You can also see information from the distance, velocity, and azimuth rulers here. On the left side, we have the View Manager window. This gives you a list of all the vistas you currently have open. This is where you can add more windows and delete vistas you no longer need. Vista Items from DB shows you a list of items you have previously saved to the database that you can display in the main g-Navigator window. To display any of these items, you can just drag them out into the main window or on top of any other view. Any view can be renamed by right-clicking or hitting F2 on your keyboard. Along the top, we can save our flow or save a flow revision. Saved revisions can be recalled from the Workflow History window in G-Platform. You can also close your flow from here. You can also save the GUI state of the window if you want to recall your current window arrangement later. Importing a saved GUI state will return all of your g-Navigator windows to the locations you had them in when you saved the GUI. If you want more space for views, you can hide all of your windows here with the Hide All Views button. You can also execute your modules using the green and red buttons and switch between your various view windows. Please check out our other tutorial videos or visit us at geomage.com.